Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a presentation on the VistaCreate application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and go to the marketing materials section, and here you can find the second presentation button. And here just select a template and click to the use this template button. You can edit this template. If you want to add a new picture or change the picture on your project, click to the photos section at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can search or upload pictures from your gallery. If you want to change the text, click to the text box. You can change and delete this text. And in the font section you can select another font type, and in the style section, for example, you can adjust the size of your text. If you want to add different object to your project, click to the object section, and here you can search object. For example, click to the ice cream, and you can move and you can edit the size. If you want to add animation, click to the animation button, and here you can search different animation, and in the video section you can find videos or upload from your gallery. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.